Hey, Jake. Have you ever thought about how certain historical events have shaped our world today?
Hey, Emma. Absolutely. It's fascinating how moments in history can have such a lasting impact. Do you have a favorite historical event?
I'd say the Renaissance. It was such a pivotal time for art, science, and culture. What about you?
The moon landing in 1969. It was a giant leap for mankind. Here's a joke for you. Why did the Scarecrow become a successful historian?
Haha, why?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
Good one, Jake. So, what do you find most interesting about the moon landing?
The sheer determination and innovation it took to get there. Plus, it inspired so many people. How about the Renaissance? What do you love about it?
The incredible advancements in art and literature. Figures like Leonardo da Vinci and Shakespeare still influence us today. Did you know Da Vinci was also a scientist?
Yeah, he was a real Renaissance man. Here's another question. If you could witness any historical event, what would it be?
I'd love to see the construction of the pyramids in Egypt. It's amazing how they built those massive structures without modern technology. What about you?
Watching the first flight by the Wright brothers would be incredible. It was the beginning of modern aviation.
Definitely. Do you think learning about history is important?
For sure. It helps us understand where we come from and can prevent us from repeating past mistakes. What do you think?
I agree. It also gives us a sense of identity and pride in our heritage.
Have you ever visited any historical sites?
Yes, I've been to Rome and saw the Colosseum. It was awe-inspiring. Have you visited any?
I've been to the Gettysburg battlefield. It was a powerful reminder of the sacrifices made during the Civil War. Do you think historical sites help bring history to life?
Absolutely. Seeing the places where events actually happened makes it all more real. Do you have a favorite historical figure?
Abraham Lincoln. His leadership during a tumultuous time was remarkable. What about you?
Cleopatra. She was such a powerful and influential leader. Here's another joke. Why did the history book look sad?
I don't know. Why?
Because it had too many dates.
Nice one, Emma. Do you think schools teach enough about history?
I think there's always room for more. Understanding our past is crucial for building a better future. Do you agree?
Definitely. It's important to learn from different perspectives too. What's a historical event you think more people should know about?
The invention of the printing press. It revolutionized the spread of knowledge. What about you?
The fall of the Berlin Wall. It was a powerful symbol of change and unity. Do you think technology has changed how we learn about history?
Absolutely. With the internet and digital archives, we have access to so much information. Do you think that's a good thing?
Yes, but it's important to verify sources. Not everything online is accurate. Do you use any apps or websites to learn about history?
I love using virtual museum tours and history podcasts. They make learning so engaging. How about you?
I follow a few YouTube channels that make history fun and accessible. Do you think historical movies and shows are educational?
They can be, but they often take creative liberties. It's a good idea to do some fact-checking afterwards. Do you have a favorite historical movie?
Schindler's List. It's powerful and thought-provoking. Do you have one?
Gladiator. It's epic and captures the spirit of ancient Rome. Here's one last joke. Why was the math book unhappy with history class?
I don't know. Why?
Because it couldn't handle all the drama.
Good one, Emma. This has been a fun chat. It's great to discuss how history shapes our lives.
Agreed, Jake. Let's catch up again soon and maybe explore more historical topics.
Sounds like a plan. Have a great day, Emma.
You too, Jake. Take care.